Look at my feet. It's in the fun. It's beach sand. Today I'm so excited. I'm gonna go to the Mare Beach. Now it's around 3:30. Maybe I'll get there in time, hopefully. So I'll see you. I'm so surprised. It's 37 degrees, but I don't know. Maybe it's not so hot. It's weird because last week I haven't been going out because my top reason is it's scorching hot, but maybe my body slowly got used to the weather here, so I think that's good. And okay, so now I'm at the bus stop. I'm just waiting for the bus. Actually, I can use the metro, but I think I'm gonna have to walk for a long time. I don't want to do that because, you know, this weather is... Oh my god, where should I stay? Where should I wait for the bus? I have to go inside these buildings, but I'm shy. Wait, let's try if I can do it. Maybe I can do it. Can I just sit here? Because I'm waiting for the bus. Is it okay? Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh. Yay! They're so kind. They let me sit here so I can see the bus outside easily. Police station when I know we're gonna video there. La Mer Central. I'm so excited. I can hear like the birds. It means we are close to the beach. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm so disappointed in myself because why I didn't bring any bikinis. My god, I'm so jealous with all the people who are sunbathing. I want to do that. Look at my feet. It's in the fun. It's beach sand. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Teka lang yung hugaw. in the video.
Welcome to Dubai.
Come to Dubai, Habibi.
Welcome to Dubai.